Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Cloudland Canyon State Park in the great state of Georgia.
There's no sound on it.
Yes, there is. About to hit up some waterfall trails. What's everybody got to say?
Nothing. Yep.
Okay.
I agree.
See you guys on the other side. Alright, it is 5:30 a.m. We're about to do a quick little nighttime hike to a lookout spot, hoping to see a sunrise over the canyon. It's looking like some slight cloud cover, you probably can't see it. But very, very slight.
I've got my hopes down already.
See you on the other side.
Danny, do you know how to get to?
Oh wow.
On my side?
Dude, that's the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life. Alright, we officially made it to the lookout. I don't even know how well you can see this in the video, but the sun is not started to rise yet, so we're definitely here in time. Made great time. And it looks beautiful, even though you probably can't see a whole lot in the video. The view is gorgeous. Alright, sunrise was officially a success. Time to keep moving on to the next thing.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that she'll take it into her side.
We're up to 60, ladies and gentlemen. The hammock to hammock football toss record. All right, I'm here with Todd's Fires, ladies and gentlemen. Partner number 1 of the team that just got 100 and 104. 104.
104.
How's it feel, man? How's it feel? What you got to say to the
It
people?
feels pretty good. It makes the trip worth it. I always knew that my athletic career would lead me to here.
What's the secret to your success?
You know, I just throw the ball. I don't even have to look sometimes. Catch it, it's automatic.
What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click down below to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out the sidebar to see more videos or to check out official channel merchandise. Thank you so much for the support, and as always, happy travels.